Hello YouTuber woobers! So here's just a quick video. Just washed my hair. It's a little chilly here, so at least you make the best of it. So I did a little bit of housekeeping in my kitchen, and you've all seen me making up my favorite potions, and so I just wanted to show a new improvement I've done to my kitchen. So I'm going to turn the camera around. So what I've done here is I got this shelf on Amazon. I was going to make one, but it's pretty cold here, so the outdoor workshop is not as appealing in the winter time as it is in the summertime. So I found, it took a while of searching, but I found this shelf. You see the black shelf, and it's just at the right height that I can put 2 bottles on it. These are the quart-sized mason jars, and so it fits about, well, you can see how many it fits. 10 on the top and 10 on the bottom. So I went through all my containers, got rid of all the plastic, and put everything in glass. A lot of people talk about plastic as being unhealthy. The cheap plastic, it leaches into your foods. It's not so much dry stuff, but it's definitely wet stuff. If you have a water bottle, you want to make sure that the triangle on the bottom is a 5 or higher number, or 6. The really cheap plastics tend to leach into your water chemicals. So anyway, I was able to take everything. I labeled all the jars, which is unique for me. Like you can see, like right over here is my mix I use for my eggs, and then the one next to it, which you can't see the label, but I don't actually think the label's on there because it wouldn't stick to the jar. But that's my stuff I use for my meats and vegetables and stuff. And that's cinnamon over here. I have some cinnamon with sugar mixed into it. Don't tell anybody. You know, that kind of thing. Try to relabel things as best I could. So, you know, look at that. This whole thing was like, it was just crazy. And I've been able to eliminate most of the stuff. I got these little, I wanted to get little dishes. I have these little dishes on Amazon, but I really wanted something a little bigger that I could use for a dipping sauce for my steak and chicken. And they're a little too small. It's hard to figure out size when you're looking on the internet. I wanted something a little bigger, but we'll see how that does. So this is just a little thing. I'd like to tell you to go out and dig in some dirt, but can't do it here, so why should you do it there? Always something new you can do to make things better. Pasta's over in the corner. I haven't had pasta for 6 months. But I did get some of these. I'm not sharing now. Thompson's. Yep. These can definitely be, I can easily eat a whole package, which is not a good thing. And you know why I could eat a whole package? Because it's white flour. White flour bad. Whole grain good. Ta-ta. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.